ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णै चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः अकूह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचूयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः उपध्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ न्यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च एदैतौ कण्ठतालु औदौ तौ कण्ठोष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम् नासिका अनुस्वारस्य Pooja ji will do.
Ramah, Ramao, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramao, Ramanan, Raman,
Raman, yeah.
Ramin, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Ramai, Ramabhyam, Ramaibhya,
Vyaha.
Bhya, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramibhya, Ramasya, Ramyoho, Ramanam, Rame, Ramyoho, Ramesh, He Ram, He Ramu, He Rama.
Luvena ji.
Okay.
Phalam.
Phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani, phalena phalabhyam phalaihi, phalaya phalabhyam phalebhyah, phalat phalabhyam phalebhyah, phalasya phalayoho phalanam, phale phalayoho phaleshu, phala phale phalani.
Okay. I have kept here Yati taha anti si taha tha mi vaha maha. Suppose karsha means to pull, no? So who will do?
Okay, I start.
Yeah.
Karshati, karshatah, karsanti, karsasi, karsatah, karsatha, karsami, karsavah, karsamah.
Only everything is like karsha, sha. Karsha, karshati, karshataha, karshanti, sha. Pronunciation. Sha.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And then Sharmila ji, both. Can you do both?
बोधति बोधतः बोधन्ते बोधसि बोधतः बोधत बोधामि बोधवः बोधामः
Bodhavaha also. Both.
बोधावः बोधामः.
Yeah, okay. Anybody would like to do? Dipti ji. Through, Sarati.
Stru
Yeah, Stru means Sarati. Sarati. Sarati, Sarataha, like that.
सरति सरतः सरन्ति
Hmm.
सरसि सरथः सरथ
Hmm.
सरमि सर्वः
Sarami.
सरामि
Hmm.
वः
Hmm.
सरामः.
Hmm. Then Vasa. Anil ji, can you hear me? Can you do? Anil ji. Is he there?
वसति वसत वसन्ति वससि वसथ वसत् वसामि वसाव वसाम.
Fine, but Vasavaha, Vasamaha. Everything should be clear, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So anybody would like to do Anita ji? Meda knows.
Okay, sir.
What do I give? What should I give? Smara. Smara means to remember.
Okay. Smarati, smarataha, smaranti. Smarasi, smarataha, smaratha. Smarami, smarama, smaravaha, smaramaha.
Meda, you would like to do? It's okay.
Yeah, okay, Swamini. Yeah, we have become best friends with this chart now. By now.
Yeah, that's why you need not to do. Okay. But last time I have seen somebody was making mistake. That's why I did. Even this, I think everybody has done, no? Anybody has any problem with this? Translate from Sanskrit to English? I think everybody has done. Whatever has done is clearly, is no mistake.
Actually, I have problem, Swami. Means I don't know so many words. I am very poor in Sanskrit, so still I am learning. Not a problem. Just I am reading what other students sent.
Vocabulary is there in.
Do you have that Anton with you? That book? What I have given?
In second class.
No, I have given that you can download whole book in you. So behind whole vocabulary is given. Even they have given vocabulary. These are all our vocabulary, you know. And generally they ask from these words only. Whatever they have given exercise, no, they have given from vocabulary only. What they have given in this lesson means class, if lesson number 3. But you should do this all, otherwise our Sanskrit won't improve without exercise. Decline, I think declination you know about Gramaha, Mega, no need. But now tell me, join the sandhis in the following. Drupaha Jayati, what will come?
Nrupo Jayati.
Why? Why Nrupo?
Aha.
It's
Before
correct.
it is a, and that is a soft vyanjan.
Yeah.
Jayati.
Correct. Then Balaha Davanti. What would be there? You please don't tell. Mukesh.
The Visarga will simply drop.
Simply drop. Bala Davanti. If somebody asks if there is a no Visarga, how can we make out there is Visarga? Anybody has any, logic behind this? Even without Visarga, we
Yeah,
can
it is
say.
a Dhavanti. Yes, it is a Dhavanti. It's a plural. So it's a Balaha, Ramaha.
So Anti is there, no?
Yes.
Anti is always plural. So if there is a no Visarga, we can make out there must be a Visarga. That's why Balaha Davanti. Then this one, Tronam Khadati.
Only Visarga, Truna upar Visarga. That's Trunam Padati.
Anuswara.
It's called not Visarga, but it is called.
Oh, sorry, Anuswara. Anuswara. Sorry.
Anuswara, yeah.
Anuswara.
Yeah, like this. Then Naraha Tyajati. Visarga Sandhi.
Naras. Naras.
Yeah, Naras.
Tyajati.
Like Naras Tyajati. Let me write here somewhere. Wait 1 minute. Can I write here? Naras Tyajati. Then same Janaha Chalanti.
The
Chalanti.
Visarga will become Sha. Janash Chalati. Janash Chalati.
Same. Yeah, Janash Chalanti.
Sure. Sure.
Or Jana Chalanti. What will come?
Janash.
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 Because of cha, followed by cha.
Why cha? Because cha is a hard consonant. That's why Visarga becomes sha. Yeah. Correct. Then Balaha Janam Smarati.
Balo, Janam,
Janam with Anuswara.
Yeah, it will come here Anuswara.
Yeah.
And it becomes
Balu.
Balo Janam Smarati. Ashvaha annam khadati.
Ashwo,
An elite with an elite. Ashwo and then
Avagraha.
Yeah.
Agraha, Nam.
Ashwannam, then
Then Sukara.
yeah, this here will drop, and this will half makara will drop. Ashwannam khadati. I think everybody knows translation, no? In English. Gramam apitaha vrukshaha rohanti. Hmm?
Gramam with Anuswara.
It will come Gramam apitaha. This half makara will join.
Right.
Right. Okay. And then here apitaha is this visarga is followed by soft consonant.
Yes.
Then apito. Vruksha, this will drop because visarga is followed by
Up.
Soft consonant.
rohanti. Yeah, that's why this clear. But today they have start translate following into in Sanskrit. So they have given two servants lead horses around the village. Two servants, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Same way, Dasaha, Dasau, Dasaha. So what will come for two servants?
Daso.
Lead means ni, nayati. Nayati, nayataha, nayanti. Then what will come here?
Nayataha.
Nayataha, no? Because two servant, that's why nayataha. Horses, the horses. It will come in which? It will come in which case?
Bahuvachan.
Bahuvachanam, but nominative, accusative, instrumental.
Horses, so
It is.
Karma.
So what
Two by
is
three?
the?
transitive.
So actually, what is the karma of this both servant? No, servants lead, but we can ask what. So by asking what, whatever answer, both servant, what they nayataha, then we can say horses. So always it comes in second case, accusative case, and if there are in plural, then Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman. So here,
Ashwan.
Ashwan. Ashwan, then around the village. I have read something. Around. Where is that? Paritaha is there?
Paritaha. H.
Yeah, H, Paritaha. Okay. So gramam paritah, no, village means grama. So connecting word with around always comes in second case. So this is gramam. Paritah gramam. So actually we can write dasau gramam paritah ashwan nayatah. So in our understanding, it will be more make sense. Paritah. Is it clear? So what they have done, you know, two servants. So they have written noun, dual, masculine, subject is a nomination. That's why daso. Verb, present tense, active, third person, dual. Because always verb agrees with nominative case. So if daso are dual, lead is also dual. Horses, nominate, noun, plural, masculine. The object of the verb, accusative, always comes in accusative. So actually, what I used to do, this is too long, no, to write every time. So what you can do,
So 1/2.
so what I used to do, so here we can write 1/2. Nayataha need not to write here. What will come?
2/3.
Paritaha are indeclinable, but this grammar
2/1.
1.
you have to do like this. If you continue doing for 2 to 3 lessons, no, then you will be master. Otherwise, it is very difficult. That's why I have taken this for you. Slowly you can do for 2 to 3 lessons. It will be then easy. It should be fixed in your mind.
Swamini, why didn't we do anything for Nayataha?
Yeah, you
Sure.
can write. Actually, you can write what they have written. So you
Verb.
can,
Dual.
yeah, we can say third
Dual.
person. Yeah, third person, 3P. Third person,
Dual.
dual. You can write like this. Okay. We will do, there are many sentences are there. Now we will do. Trees grow near the well. So trees is a plural. The main sentence is, you have to always decide what is the main sentence, verb, and connected with verb is always nominative, subject. Trees grow are the main sentence.
Vruksha. Rohanti.
Vrukshaha. Vrukshaha rohanti. Where? But a kupa will come in which case?
Second one. Group.
Second case.
Kupam.
Oh.
And near Samaya, Nikasha, something was there, no?
Don't know.
Nikasha.
Abhitah.
Please, Nikasha.
So,
Swami.
Rukshaha, Kupam Nikasha Rohanti, or whatever. Nikasha Kupam Rukshaha Rohanti.
Swamiji, there are
Yes.
almost 5 prepositions for near. So how will you decide which one to mention?
Actually, whatever you like, no, all are correct. You can put any 5.
Oh, context doesn't matter. Okay.
Yeah. So this Nikasha, Samaya, you can make. You can put anything. There are 3, no 5 for near.
Yes.
Ah.
Nikasa Maya.
Abhitah, Abhi, Abhi.
No,
You can put anything. Abhitaha you can put, Nikasha, Samaya, anything you can. All 3, whatever preposition are available, you can put all. Even you can put all, so you can remember also, you know. One time you can, then it will be nice. Then only one is good enough. The pigeon becomes a crow. Pigeon means kapota. Crow means kaka.
Kapotah Kakam Bhavati.
Kapotah
Which is not possible.
bhavati.
Kapotaha kakam bhavati. But still you have to write here, Kapotaha will come one by one.
Yes.
One by one, correct, no? If you say, then I have to write, no? One by one. Then kakam,
2 by
1.
2 by 1. And bhavati, you can write 3rd person, active case, singular. So I used to write 3P. 3PP means parasmaipadi. Because we are saying titaha anti are called parasmaipadi. That you have to remember also. Did I tell you?
yes. You told us.
Yeah.
You said Parasmaipada means for others.
And now after some lessons, no Atmanepadi will come. So this all are parasmaipadi. So if whatever you can cite 3 parasmaipadi, even if you would like to, active need not to, and then 3rd person plural. So how will you write? Not like this, 1 minute. PP. Now 3rd plural PP. Okay. 3rd person plural PP means parasmaipadi. After then you can write Atmanepadi, whatever will come. Okay. The king conquers the country.
Main sentence.
The king, yeah, main sentence is this one.
Conquers.
Nrupaha.
Nurpaha.
Nrupaha.
This
Nrupaha Jayati. What? Desha Hitaya. Desham. 2 horses eat grass.
Ramo, Aswo.
Ashwa, yes, correct.
Khadataha.
Ashwa, correct. Who says Khadataha? Correct.
Trishnam.
Khadataha, grass.
It's Trishnam, right?
Trunam.
Trunam.
Trunam. Trushnam is difficult, is different meaning. Trunam.
Trunam.
The servant draws the boys.
Swamini ji,
Yes.
just one thing. In grass, Trunam,
Hmm.
I remember we spoke because grass is like
Collective plural.
collective.
Collective plural. Yeah, collective. We can't say trunani. It's okay.
Yeah. So it is Trunam itself that we
Yeah,
will.
yeah. It's a collective plural. The servant draws the boys.
Das. Dasah.
Dasah. I can write here. Okay.
Balan.
And Dasah. Then boys.
Bal.
Balan.
Balan.
Balan draws.
Karshati.
Karshati. Out of this only, Karsha, Krishna's name is Krishna. Krishna, no? Akarshati iti Krishna. One who draws everybody's attention to oneself. That's why he's a Krishna.
Swamiji, I thought this draws meant sketches, like, and I got confused.
I thought the same.
No. Akarshati iti Krishna. Then the
Persons carry the
carry
vessel.
vessels. Persons, janaha, what they have here? Person.
Janaha. Can we use Janaha?
Janaha.
Then
Patram.
Patrani, because it's plural.
yeah, patrani.
Vahanti.
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 Anybody has gone to Jagannath Puri?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
Jagannath temple, you know, they are carrying many that
Pots.
means yeah, the rice for
Pot,
Jagannath.
rice pots.
Yeah, they are all are patrani vahanti. They keep on, you know. Very beautiful. It's called patrani. With this, you know, wooden stick, they carry like that Shravana. They are hanging.
Covered.
Covered. Yeah, covered. Oh, seventh. This is generally for all people, you know. We live.
We.
We.
Was Jivami, yeah.
Jivam.
Jivamaha.
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 Jiva, mi vahamaha. We know. Then Jiva Maha. Even you don't know, but let me put the meaning of we is Vayam. Vayam Jiva Maha. How we all live. How we all live.
Vina Sukham.
Yeah.
Vina.
Sukham Vina.
Can we use Antarin, Swamini?
Yeah, what?
Antarin.
Actually, Antarana, you know, when we can put no problem. But sometimes Antaran can also show the distance also. There are some Antaran. They can put. Vina is more better.
Okay, better to use Vina.
Yeah, Vina is more. Vina, Vayam, Jiva Maha, Vina Sukha. But our understanding, which will be correct Anvaya? Sukham vina jivamah. Erase, can I?
Yeah.
Trees carry leaves. Very simple.
Vrikshaha.
Rukshaha. Always pronunciation should be correct. Rukshaha. Rukshaha.
Patrani vahanti.
What? What? Patrani.
Patrani
Patrani. Okay. Patrani.
vahanti.
Patrani. Vahanti. Now can I erase from here? On the both sides of the well, boys burn the fuel. So main sentence is this. Always you have to catch main sentence first. Boys burn the fuel.
Balaha.
Balaha.
Balaha. Yeah.
Indhanam.
वो करो तो चले बाला
Balaha.
Dahati.
Indhanam.
Indhanam dahati.
Dahati. Dahati or Dahanti. Boys are there.
Boys, no? Dahanti.
What should I put? Dahati, Dahata or Dahanti?
Dahanti.
दहंती
Yes, okay.
Indhanam.
Indhanam. In Gujarati or maybe Hindi or other language, I don't know. But simply they put Indhanam like this.
Hindi.
But being Sanskrit, no, last time we have seen,
Yes.
here it will come as a Nakara. And where they are doing all these things?
Ubhayata.
Both sides of the well. Then
Ubhayata.
Ubhayata. And Ubhayataha.
Kupam.
Kupam.
Ubhayata. Balaha. Kupam ubhayata indhanam dahati.
So Ubhayataha Kupam Balaha Indhanam Dahati. Dahanti. Clear? If we write Kupam Ubhayataha, no? So actually correct sentence is, now you know something, Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Kupam Ubhayataha. Kupam Ubhayataha. Then Balaha. The Indhanam. So I should write Visarga or I should not write Visarga?
You should not write Visarga.
Yes. Indhanam will come like this and we need not to write Visarga. So we are using Sandhi also. Indhanam Dahanti. Correct? So Kupa Mubhayataha Bala Indhanam Dahanti. The hand, no, sorry, clouds move towards the mountain. Clouds move.
Meghaha Saranti.
Meghaha. Mukesh bhai,
Yes.
Meghaha.
Yeah.
Ah. Meghaha.
Saranti.
Meghaha saranti.
You use chalanti.
Chalanti also we can use. Saranti, chalanti, all are correct. Saranti where? Towards the mountain. Then
Prati.
Parvatam.
Parvatam prati.
yeah. Parvatam prati. There are two words, you know, one is called Megha. Megha. Ghakara. Kakha ga. And one is called Medha. What is the difference? What is the meaning of Megha? Cloud.
Cloud.
What is the meaning of Medha? Medha must be knowing, no? She's sitting.
Intelligent.
What is the meaning of Medha?
It
Intellect.
means intelligence. One.
Intellectual, right? Buddhi?
Yeah.
Intelligence.
No, but actually the definition of Medha is Grahana Dharana Shakti. Grahana means one who is grasping power. Grasping power is only not enough, good enough. Then it should be sustained in our mind. No, it should be remain in our minds. It's called Grahana Dharana Shakti. The power to grasp and power to keep in our mind. It's called Medha. Not only intelligence. That's why there are Suktam are available. Medha Suktam. Where we were, yes. The hand protects the body. How? I don't know, but they have written the hand protects. Hand. Karaha.
Main sentence will be protects the body.
I don't know how they both protect the body, but they have written the hand protects the body. Hand means hastaha, karaha, both are correct. The more you write, no, vocabulary will be increased. Karaha. If somebody is attacking on you and you can keep your hand, then protect, no? Maybe like this. I don't know. Then hastaha, karaha, protect. What will come? It starts from R.
Rakshati.
Raksha.
Rakshati, rakshataha, or rakshanti.
Rakshati.
Only one. Rakshati and body.
Sharir.
Shariram.
Sharira. Like Medha, like Krishna, you know, you need some more. Suppose Sharira. Why they have given the name, this body Sharira? I don't know in English. But Shiryamanatvat Sharira. One who is subject to decline is called Sharira. Shiryamanatvat.
These definitions are so beautiful, Swamiji.
Shiryamanatvat Sharira. Same way we say our body, Deha, no? Dahati iti Deha. One who can give fire, no? At last cremation. That's why it's given the name Deha. Shariraha, definition, Shiryamana. So each and every word has its own meaning.
Swaminiji, for phalam also there is some definition.
For
Phalam.
phalam, no? Phalgutaya liyate iti phalam. Phal. Phalgutaya. One who give, here Gakar is Phalgutaya liyate. Iti phalam. Means it's the definition. So Phalgutaya. This is, let me write. This is la and this is gu. Phalgutaya. One who's subject to, what is the definition? No, first then ripen and then they always, what we say, roast, not roast, but over-ripening. No, over-ripening, what we say? Over-ripen.
Rotting?
So that fruit we cannot suppose to eat, no? So what is the meaning of phala? They ripen and then they're gone. It's called phalam. Same way our karma phalam also. They give the result of our own karma and then gone. They never come back. What we have experienced, that karma, maybe punya or papa, cannot come back. Let me tell again. Karma, no? Everybody knows little bit our prarabdha karma, our sanchit karma, but we know we come with our own prarabdha karma. So what is the meaning of karma? Karma is some action, activity. This karma is technical name. It's called our papa and punya. Are called karma. So this papa will give the result. When we will experience our papa, it gives some sadness or whatever, some pain. Give pain and liyate. Then it goes. That's why it's Vike karma phalam. Same way, some punya. Punya gives happiness. Again it goes. So liyate. So karma phalam means one who gives result and then goes. Phalgutaya liyate iti phalam.
This is nice, Swaminiji.
Each and every word, no, it is beautiful in Sanskrit.
So, Swami, sorry, you said pain is liyate. And
Pain means exhausted. Actually, liyate gone is gone. It never come back. It's called liyate, to resolve. But here the resolve means not resolve, but gone. It goes off. Yeah, it never come back. So one punya we have experienced, then liyate, it goes. It never come back, no, goes off. So our prarabdha karma, actually let me say, our prarabdha karma is bunch of punya and papa. Karma is equal to bunch of, maybe legs and legs, but punya and papa. We have to experience both. One by one it goes, it goes, they go, they go, they go. One day will come, everything we experience, then Bhagwan says, your time is up, come back. So we have to go back. Actually, prarabdha karma is a bunch of our punya papa. We experience karma phala. What she has asked, good, is karma phala. Means phala. Phala means karma, means this papa and punya. Karma phala. Experience. Anubhavati, and then liyate, goes off. They never come back. That's why when we are celebrating our birthday, no, actually we have to be sad. So one year gone. So this is called prarabdha karma. Karma means punya papa. And punya papa is called karma phala. Karma phala experience, then liyate goes. Everything is liyate. We don't know how much we have to experience yet more our life. But still, last prarabdha karma, then it goes. Okay. So sometimes it's good only, no, it is not necessary only translating all sentences from English to Sanskrit. Some more knowledge also is necessary.
So, Swaminiji, all this niruktam and etymology, is there somewhere like some list is available or something?
There is a one book is available, I don't know, but niruktam, nigantu, they say. Niruktam means definition. Niruktam. Niruktam means nishchayena uktam. It's called definition. Nishchayena uktam. So it is a definition of niruktam. So shariram is called niruktam. Etymology. In English we say etymology. Even dehaha. Dahati iti dehaha. Phalam, phalgutaya liyate. It is also called niruktam. Etymology. Each and every word has its own etymology. It's called niruktam. Even they say nighantu also. There is one. In there also, if this book are available, well and good, but it's we don't know how much they can write because it's an ocean. Yeah, now waterfalls. Waterfalls on all sides of the village. Waterfalls.
Jalam patati.
Yeah, jalam patati. Main sentence. Jalam patati. Where? All sides of the village. Then
Sarvatra.
Sarvatra. All the side, no? Sarvatra. Sarvatra Gramam.
Swamiji, why is this Jalam? I didn't.
Jalam is also
No.
collective singular.
Vanam.
Like vanam. Is a neuter. Vanam vane vanani, same way jalam, jale, jalani. Even
Is it sarvatra, sarvata?
Sarvatra. Sarvataha must be there. I don't know. Sarvatra also correct. Sarvataha, paritaha. I think there is one paritaha also. Sarvataha. Yeah, sarvataha they have given on all sides. Paritaha
Sarvatra.
around. Sarvata. Sarvatra. Let me hear. Okay, sarvataha. Sarvatra means all. But here sarvataha.
We can use sarvatra also.
Sarvatra is better sarvata because we can say raining is all over the state, then sarvatra. But sarvata is particular some gramam sarvata, not all over the district or level. Then we can sarvata. So sarvata is better. But what I was thinking, so suppose a word, gramam. I can write here. Gramam. Generally, you say gramam is equal to village. But Gramam has two meaning. One, village is correct. But another meaning of Gramam means is a group. Bhutagramasa evaya bhutva bhutva praliyate. It is given in 8th chapter. So in this is written, you can read it. Bhutagramam. A group of all beings. Here Bhuta, let me tell you, Bhuta is not Bhuta Pishach and Katneya. In Gujarati, Bhuta considered as a body. But here Bhuta means beings, all jivas. So Bhutagrama means group of all beings is called Bhutagrama. Otherwise we can translate a village of Bhuta living is there. Ghost. It's not ghost. So Bhutagrama. So one Sanskrit word has many meanings. Before finishing, let me do one thing also for you. There is a one word which is very Atma. What is the meaning of Atma?
So,
One is consciousness. You are studying Vedanta. So I'm just writing Chaitanya means conscience. I don't like to hold word. Chaitanya. Another meaning of Atma is called Deha, means Sthula Deha. Another meaning of Atma is Manaha, Sukshma, particularly Manas. And sometimes is a pronoun also. In, I think, in 4th chapter, Atma hi Atmanaha Bandhu Atmaha Ripur Atmanaha. You can check in our Gita, 4th chapter. So at that time, Atma hi Atmanaha Bandhu. So this Atma, Atmanaha Bandhu, the meaning of Atmanam, one's own is called Atma. In pronoun, the meaning Atma means own. There are 4 meanings. So everybody may wondering where which can connect what. It depends on all how the formation of words or what the formation of sentence, you know. At that time only we can write what is what. Correct? Any question? Now this last sentence from here up to 13, last 121, you can do your own self. We have done. But you have to do like this. Okay. Hope Mayuri has enjoyed. Have you enjoyed or not? I cannot able to hear you.
Can't hear you.
Something gone wrong?
Something. Okay. We cannot able to. Okay. Shall we do Purna? But I think, but you must have enjoyed. Your voice is not coming here.
Yeah, something.
But if you can hear, if you can hear me, it's good enough. Something is wrong. Purnamada, Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaaya Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om.
Thank you so much, Swamiji.